is your boyfriend on the beat.
About 12,000 feet, just 60 miles from Punta Cana. We should have you on the ground as promised in about 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes early. The current weather right now is overcast skies in Punta Cana with a temperature of 75 degrees. Thanks very much for being with us today. It's been our pleasure having you on board. We hope you enjoyed it. Have turned this.
I love when you travel to certain foreign countries, how a little bit of money to us is a lot for them, and they work really hard for their tips. So we got these guys who's just pretty much carrying our bags for us, which was appreciated since I'm pregnant and I can't carry stuff. And like $10 to us is like $20 to them.
So guys, when you ride to Dominican Republic, you can't, there's usually people sitting outside. People sitting outside that can direct you to where you can get on you can ride a taxi or you can get transportation that takes you directly to the hotel. This right here, or to the resort. This right here will take you to your resort. For both of us, it was $30 total. So if you're in a group of people, if you got 3 people, that's $10 each. You know what I'm saying? Y'all can have 10 people. You can have 10 people. You can have 10 people get on, and it's just $30. Or is it $30 per 2 people? Who knows? We don't know. But
I think like $30 per group. I don't know if it's 10.
De 10, de 25, un billete de 50, uno de 100.
Y le cambia todo.
Sí.
Yeah, it's like in Colombia.
What?
The money is changed, but when you exchange the money, look. That's the buttons, I think. He said some more than 10. You gotta go. You said you didn't have money. ¿El lift también o solamente uno? Lift? No. Solamente uno. Y en ese mall hay también como tiendas normales, la ropa y eso.
En el Jumbo hay de todo. Para comprar traje de baño, sandalias, el ron ahí sale más barato. Sale bien económico.
¿Cuál
Cuando
es?
yo estoy libre, que voy de playa, es que yo vengo a comprar.
¿Cuál es Dominican comida? Oh, solo americano.
Es una típica comida de aquí.
Arroz, habichuela, pollo guisado, ensalada verde, frito maduro, cosas así.
Frito?
Maduro.
Sí,
¿Frito what?
Maduro.
Maduro?
Plantains.
Oh no,
Rice.
no me gusta.
Chicken and salads.
Sancocho, mangú.
Sancocho, sí, me gusta.
Y la bebida, la bebida es la mamá Juana.
boat part that can bring you here. This is get it loose. That's why you can't get on this because of that security.
Oh.
You get some boat part that take you and get it loose. Like it's just more convenient if you get
Who
it
said that?
text.
Somebody?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, 'cause I've been here before.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
¿De dónde?
Vivimos en Atlanta.
En Atlanta.
Sí, pero yo soy de Colombia.
La playa. I wanted it to be by the playa. Now I gotta walk 30 days.
Pero la reservación es para es diferente del
Más gracias. Hay que informar. Abrimos la puerta y se apaga el aire.
Oh,
What?
you open the door, the AC goes on.
Oh.
Mira acá, aquí hay unos sensores. Sí, que hay que alinearlo ahí para que el aire funcione. Lo alineamos ahí, sí. Y ahí prende. Vamos. Mira acá el equipo. Está bien. Acá se prende. Aquí lo cerramos para.
Ooh, con limpia. No, how you say dirty?
Limpia.
La playa. Es azul.
Acá bajamos esta parte de acá. Esa cortina. Aquí lo subimos. Y la vista de la playa ya la vieron allá.
Me encanta.
Está bonito.
Bonito. Oops. Cortina de jacuzzi. Okay. Viva me.
Mira los 10.
¿Mm?
Los que te
Gracias, te digo. Que disfrutes.
No, gracias a vos, gracias por todo.
Hello guys, here we are with another rooms tour. So today we are in DR. Okay,
And we get this beautiful view out here. This is the hallway. And we have to use these to get in the door. So, clunk, clunk. And then, here's the room. All right, so you walk through the door. Got all these beautiful mirrors. So you can look at yourself everywhere you go. No excuse. Bed here, let's make this a little bit larger. And they're really nice. They accommodated us and allowed us to get in here a little bit earlier. Check-in's not until 3. And then we have this. Oh, I gotta give y'all the exact. We got our jacuzzi tub, which, you know, I'm gonna get in that. Some seats. This is our courtyard. And then right there is, of course, as we all know, my favorite place to be, La Playa. Es azul, es muy bonita, me encanta. Let's go and look on. Jonathan, can you give them a tour of that side?
What's up? You in done?
I only did this side coming in.
So I go back in. And I'm pretty sure she didn't know to show you the minibar.
Oh yeah, I didn't.
Minibar.
It's gratis.
It's all included. So we waiting for the beer. It's supposed to have beer as well.
Let me get a pot. Necesito fresco.
Coffee.
Ananajado. Es caliente.
Yeah, you probably just put it in there.
Es
The temperature,
caliente.
the lights.
Necesito hilo.
More mirrors. And this bathroom. His and hers. So we can both be in the bathroom at the same time. And you gotta wait till we show. More mirrors. And you got a little shower. Oh, that's nice. You got all the soap, shampoo, conditioner, the shower head. Here you go. Closet. Oh, the lights turn on when I open it. With rose. And the toilet. Like,